moving on to task 2 of the presentation. As we are able to see in the slide, task 2 consists of two steps. First of all, we're required to add the transition to second and the third slide. After applying the transaction, we're required to remove the transaction from the second slide. How to do this? I have already opened the Google site. I will select the second. After selecting the second slide, I will apply the transition. Basically, the transitions are none. I require a cube. You can apply any of the transaction, slow the speed, come to the see as soon as you are applying the transition, you are able to see the circles over here. This circle indicates that the transition have been applied. Moving to the third slide, selecting the third slide, again going in the transition window will open on the right hand side. By default it is none. I'll just select flip, again making the speed very slow. See, only two slides have been applied the transition, that is slide number 2 and slide number 3. So I have applied the transition. I'll go to slide number 1 and I'll present it. Slide number 1. You are able to see slide number 2 transition over here. Now, since all the slides are blank, we won't be able to see the transitions much over here. I require to give any numbers over here. So just in order to make the presentation clear, I'm just inserting a text over here as second slide and third slide. Now the transitions will be clear to all of you. Go to the first slide. Present it. This is the first slide without any transition. Second slide with transition. Third slide with transition. Fourth and fifth, no transition were applied to it. And as seen in the presentation, now I require to remove the transition from slide number 2. Again going over here, select slide number 2. The by default transition that we have selected is cube. I will make it none. You are able to see the circles have been removed. That means that all the transitions have been removed from here.